Hey everybody, welcome back to Fifth Gear Garage. Today we're going to be talking about this Bel Air and the restoration that I undertook to get this old patina. I mean, this is the factory color paint here, all the way back to like new. So if you look at this picture here, I mean, you can see that it's just beautiful. I mean, there's rust in all the right places. The sun has perfectly faded the paint. I mean, it just looks great. But you'll see later in the rest of this video how I made this paint look almost factory. So this is a picture of my girlfriend's little sister from a while back while we were outside playing mechanic. Now, truth be told, she's actually probably a better mechanic than I am, but that's besides the point. Now, if you look at this spot right here, you'll see a spot where the old paint was shining through, all that scuzz on the door. Now, this is where I had actually taken a steam cleaner to the paint just a few weeks prior, and I was just trying to see if the paint underneath was salvageable, and turns out it was. Now, the method that I'm using is actually very similar to what Derek from Vice Grip Garage did on his car. The only difference between this video and that one is that mine looks a lot worse and there's nowhere near as much personality. So if you want to watch his video, I'll provide a link in the description. Now, I do want to remind everyone watching this video that this is more of a rat rod technique, and I definitely wouldn't do this for anything with nicer paint. This is strictly for lacquer and enamel-based paints that you don't mind scuffing up just a little bit. Well, I think I've done enough talking for this video, so I'm just going to let these pictures speak for themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about this project.